Angibambele nawo umphako mfethu uye nayo ekhaya engakakhohlwa. One ngicela mawufika makubuya amafoni wakho ungizamele ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi umthole labantu be-DA, AfriForum, especially lower media. Do you know who was that journalist?
I don't know the name.
You know the name?
I don't know the
You don't
name.
know. Okay, umphako oqala lo mphako wesibili nawo oSullivan wakubhalela i-email to whoever was supposed to hire you, right?
That's
And
correct.
you're not hired. I need that email. And who did it go to? Who was it sent to, that email?
The former national commissioner.
Who was
General,
that?
General Sitol.
Did he confirm that he got such an email?
Yeah, I was copied. He got it because he responded to Paul O'Sullivan.
How did he respond?
He said he acknowledged the message. He will keep him posted.
And do you think he did keep him posted?
Yeah, because I was never hired.
Okay. Do you assume you were never hired, or you know what you were never hired because of that email?
I know I was never hired because I had all documentation that I was recommended for the post.
Oh, okay. Okay. So please, ubambe ke lo mphako mfethu, I need that. Do you have any evidence, umphako wokugcina, do you have any evidence that O'Sullivan gets money from ngaphandle?
What I know is that he frequently to London and then he comes this side with equipment of spying.
He bought them outside.
Yes,
Does he have any business with Paul O'Sullivan? Uyasebenza anyway. Does he have a salary or what?
I don't know. He calls himself forensic examiner or forensic investigator. He called himself like that.
Do you think that would make him a very rich person?
No.
McBride, is it the same McBride who was, I'm not sure, fired at Ekurhuleni or something was happening? Is this the same McBride?
Yeah, the same one who was fired at Ekurhuleni.
Is he friends with Paul O'Sullivan?
Yeah.
And why would you say that?
Yeah, because while I was in IPID, they were very close together.
They were very close.
Yeah. I thought at the beginning Paul O'Sullivan is a complainant.
But
I realized that no, they are pushing a certain agenda here.
Unpet. Is this the agenda of getting McBride as the commissioner of SAPS?
That's correct.
Ngike ngasebenza ke mfo emaphoyiseni. Ngenkathi ngikhona, wayekhona lama rumors lawo. Ngikhumbula indaba kaPhahlane. Ijimiswe kakhulu nge-sound system. At some stage, General Pahlane, it was said he was in his office giving proof to whoever was there in that office of the payment of sound system. But at the same time, it happened with on the media, there were people with estate broadcasting the issue of this sound system, while on the other side, he was giving proof. Do you recall such a story?
I was there.
Which side were you? At his office or in the house?
I was at his office. We arranged the media to be that side. So that when we arrived, the media was waiting for us to capture us. Then when he produced the proof that he bought the sound system, we were so disappointed. Then we contacted McBride that, no, we are having a problem here. This man is producing a proof. Then he said, no, just go, just so that we can do what we are doing for the media.
In that same time, I remember in one of his interviews or somewhere, it was part of the story moving around SAPS, because I was in the college. It is said that Paul O'Sullivan entered that estate pretending to be working for SAPS.
That's what happened, pretending to work for IPID.
For IPID?
Yes.
Was there a case open for that?
Yes, that is a case that I said it's gathering dust.
How long ago?
When I left IPID, the docket was already there.
And how long ago have you left IPID?
2018.
Is this when you were fired or given an offer?
Yes. The docket but was already there.
Ngikhumbula something when I say now I see umngani kaMkhwanazi. You are now showing me what you did what Mkhwanazi did. Bakushaya.
That's correct.
So usho ukuthi ekuthenini uphinde futhi uyenze lento wayenza bosovinjwe isisu mntaka baba ukuthi mhlamba akunakudla ekhaya.
No, under the circumstances, it's all about principle and the truth. I can be your friend, but I also be firm with the truth.
If you were to get a chance to speak to Ubaba Mkhwanazi, what would you say to him?
We're still gonna talk.
Mbungathini again.
No, we are still gonna talk about the whole of this thing because my assessment into all of this, and now we are having ad hoc committee and all. First of all, General Mkhwanazi is a person that what you see is what you get.
Okay.
And
Mhlamba ungizwa mntaka baba ubungathini Ubaba Mkhwanazi. Ngizokunika ithuba lembuzo yakho. Yabo lo wakho umbuzo uzubuzile wena. Asambe ngalo wami mntaka baba. Uma ungabona Ubaba Mkhwanazi ungathini ke?
About the whole issue.
Ungathi asilungise insizwa sebabangani silwempi noma ifo ayishayani lethi induku ushayani.
Hayi namanje siyibona abangani.
Nisaxoxa.
No bese ngakaxoxi phela kusashisa.
Idube.
Kodwa namanje usayena umngani noma sixabene ngalutho. Wadinwa nje ukuthi ngimrekhodile ngizozomchazela nje futhi mhlawumbe ulalele la uthi hayi ngangikurekhoda ngoba ungilethele imessage engingayithola.
Okay. Uyabona la
Kodwa kona ukuxabana sixabene.
Ngixabene.
Asixabene.
Phethe 3 amaphepha imibuzo yami yokuqala naye bengifaka evenini ngale. Ngale ngifuna ukukulalela. So ngifuna ukuthi sicede sibuyele emuva. Senimshikishile kuPhahlana. The next in line was supposed to be Umthiba to be National Commissioner. What happened with that? Did you guys anticipate it again?
Yes, then he was become a target.
Namenzani yena?
There were 2 cases opened against him.
Which cases were those?
Defeating ends of justice. That I remember. I think it was 2 defeating ends of justice.
Were they successful?
They wouldn't be successful because they were fake.
They were fake.
Yeah.
Okay, asidlule lapho. Kunomfo kaDladla uyamkhumbula wayeprotect uBaba Zuma. Kwakune story ukuthi ukhandelwa amacala. And then I think I remember ngalezo inkathi wonke umuntu esabse becabanga ukuthi uyena ozoba ugeneral. Umsholozo wanishikisha wadlala idraft wafaka usithole. Nenzani ngomfo kaDladla?
uDladla, he was very close to the former president because he was responsible for presidential protection services. Then McBride identified him as a person who could speak to the former president and make it happen for him to be the national commissioner. And in doing so, they had to go and check and dig what they can find against Dladla, so that that will be used as leverage to Dladla.
And what did you find?
There was a case of he bought a house and he had a shortfall, and that shortfall was paid by a certain service provider.
Was that service provider Mr. Mantata?
Yes.
Mantata,
Yes.
Mantata. So in that case, nenzani angitholi kahle uyichaza. Yavulwa leyo case kwathiwa.
Then he was called. This is the case we are having, but this is what, let's just make a deal. This is what we want for McBride to become a national commissioner.
And was the
Then
deal,
the case will be not go forward.
was the deal made?
Yes.
Do you think he took that offer because he was guilty or what? Was this money clean? The money was this money clean or what?
No, we couldn't prove any corrupt activities in the transaction because there was a loan settlement, there was a loan agreement. And also, we could not find, if Dladla is involved in any supply chain or procurement services.
So it's also alleged we supply chain as well. There were allegations as well.
The allegation were that the service provider paid a shortfall who happens to fitting a blue light in the VIP cars. So now, because Dladla is a head of presidential protection services, and the cars under his environment were fitted by the very same person. So they were linking that as it could be a corrupt activities.
I once came across a newspaper, I think the article was down there, saying this Mantata won a case. Was it the very same case, Lenny Bill deal or something?
I think so.
But now, you said today they are back in court on the same issue again.
No. This is a separate blue light. There is another blue light where Pahlane is involved.
At the time I was working as SAPS, I think there were 3, if not 4 times of this blue light, because I was working at Benoni Mechanical, where we also fitted blue lights in that college. So his name was very well known. There's a company that fits blue lights, and the vehicle markings as well was done there as well. So I remember the standard didn't come once, it was in sections, right? So all these sections, do you suspect the people who are busy opening cases against Mantata were like looking for imali?
No, I can't be sure because I don't have such evidence.
So what would be making ukuthi abuyele kangaka ke court lo Mr. Mantata kangaka? Because he's rumored to be complaining about Abosisoko.
Yeah, I'm not sure because I don't have merits of those cases, but if he is complaining, he need to have some ear to listen and investigate.
Okay. Asibuyele kokugcina la. Why did the NDPP, Mr. Sean Abrams, never agreed with Mr. McBride to bring any docket without evidence?
Yeah, because Sean Abrams will not allow to be part of capture.
So that's why he left?
Yes.
So, Mawuti capture, were you captured by McBride?
No, he cannot capture me because I'm working with him.
Okay. So were you part of him?
Yes.
In terms of doing this wrong?
I was part of him until I realized that something is not right.
Ngiyakhumbula inkulumo ethi wena naqabaniswa icase McBride wayekunikeza isiqondiso sokuthi uyifuna ihambe kanje. Which case was that and what did you do? If iqiniso lelo. Yini yaniqabanisa kahle hle?
Ewo wona lama case abo Pahlane no Mothiba. So those are conduct that I could not take it once I realized that we are not pursuing crime here, we are just destroying people.
So which case specifically singayixoxa ukuthi kwenzeka kanje?
No, mainly it's gonna be Pahlane.
Pahlane.
Yeah.
So Pahlane, you're saying nje ubuhleli lapho in your own word, Pahlane akenzanga lutho, waxoshwela mahala.
Yeah, he produced even a proof, but we had to do that drama because that is a drama that suspended him.
Which drama was it?
The media.
Which drama in specific? Nothing. Is it the sound system one or
the sound system one? Is the sound system one? Even after he produced a proof, but we had to go to complete the mission.
I think, Chair, on record, can we ask you, Mr. Pahlane, ukuthi asondele sizoyiqoqa lento. I'm finding evidence la ukuthi no, I'm not finding evidence. I'm finding into eshoyo ukuthi ke kugangiwe in the state and people were destroyed by his team nabo McBride and the Sissokos, if it is alleged, Nabo O'Sullivan. But now I want to know something. The time O'Sullivan angene office in akhuluma nana niphama meeting, you said there was this WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, bekhona bani nobani nobani nobani
No, it's McBride and the team.
and the team.
And the team, yes.
Paul was part of that
Paul was always part.
of that WhatsApp.
Yes.
Giving instruction or just listening.
Giving instruction.
Sesizoyivala le ndaba yami nawo manje. Ngine question nje oyishilo something oyishilo. Kondote, I was not there when a letter was written. But somewhere you say Upikoli had an input within Lapo. What was Upikoli's input in that letter of disbanding PKTT?
I can't recall, but Minister said before you send the letter, get to Upikoli to proofread and check it. And then I remember there was few amendments that he made, which Minister agreed that I must send it with those amendments.
Angimkhumbuli lo Pikoli. Is it Vusi Pikoli? Is it the one ebekakhona ku Zuma Must Fall campaign ahamba lapha phambili, state capture something?
No, I don't think so. He was how I know him, he was a former DPP at one stage. Yes.
Very vocal.
Yes.
Okay. Mvuka baba, ngicabanga ukuthi abakwaNkabinde namhlanje uzamile ukuthi sihloniphe isibongo sabo. Ngabacelela ukuthi ekeni phambili ingathi mfethu ukwenza kwenu ngayicabanga izibongo zethu. Ukuthi kudinga ukuthi siprotecte futhi siyilwele. Ngoba yabona last week abanga ukuthi bowusindwa ilento eleziyami. Ubutatazela into engazwakali uya ngathi ukhuluma into engekho. But today mfethu ngicela uhambe ekhaya uqine. Yabona ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngubale nami nalamadoda engihamba nawo amathathu kanye nomkhwanasi. But asike sibuye siphinde sidibane. Sasa ngicela uyongivulela icase mfethu ngiyacela mina this one ngiyacela angu instruct ngiyacela. Ngikhathele lo Paul O'Sullivan wakho. Ngikhathele impela uyena. Sizokwazi ukuthi silungise country. Ngiyabonga. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you so much, Chief Whip.